Hi guys, welcome. Thanks for joining. I feel like we're friends and family now. And check this out. I got a Hello Kitty t-shirt. I got this for $8 at Target. So if you don't know, I'm a huge Hello Kitty fanatic. And I also, over the weekend, I dyed my hair, my roots, so they're not gray anymore. I went back to my natural black haired color. Believe it or not, it's actually dark brown, and dark brown is my natural color. I know it looks pretty dark. I gotta get used to it. But anywho, today we're going to be unboxing Look Fantastic. But first, let's have our moment of inspiration. So I was thinking about this, and with the holidays and decision making coming up, I thought it'd be good to remind you guys that it's okay to change your mind. So if you made a commitment, or you promised somebody something, or there's some kind of financial issue, you know, it's okay to change your mind, because we may not be in the same vibration that we were in when we made that decision. We may have slept on it, we may have thought it over, we may have gathered more information, and we shouldn't allow ourselves to feel guilty for going back and changing our mind on those things. Of course, you know, if it's work or school related, that's a different approach, but in general, you know, it's all right to change your mind. Life will go on, things will be okay, and just don't be too hard on yourself or feel bad about that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with Look Fantastic, which is a monthly subscription. For $19 a month, you receive 6 items valued at $60 or more. I do have a coupon code, but just from their website, because I'm not an affiliate. So the only code I can give you for now, or like I'm not sponsored, I don't have PR and all of that. So to get a 15% discount, you just put in the word hello, and I'll put that down here for you guys. I'll also put it in the description so that you can use that for 15% off your first box. So look at how gorgeous this box is. They always do an amazing job with their boxes. They are usually themed for holidays, or else they're just simple box with different colors. But I love this. Look at the lipstick. I love all of these things. It's so gorgeous, and look how pretty. It just has this gold foiled look. Boxes are always great quality, like I said, good, sturdy, definitely worth saving. Like, the box is, I feel like, is part of the subscription, like part of the value. It's so good. The box is a little bit bigger than the glossy boxes, so keep that in mind. You also receive this little pamphlet. It's more like a little book, and it'll show you, you know, you get a table of contents, you get what's in the box, you also get tips and tricks. So good read, like a little mini magazine. Unfortunately though, I was looking at this to be prepared for this video, and I do not see that they have any prices listed in here, just a description of what you're receiving. So we'll just kind of take a gander, give it all a whirl, and see if we feel that the box is worth the $60 value for 19 bucks. And then we have, of course, it got the little foil plated sticker. Yeah, it did rip when I was taking this out. Anyway, let's go ahead and see. Oh, and they always do such an amazing job with their packaging as well. Look at that. It, like, doesn't it just give you like New Year's vibe? Oh, I love it. I love it. I like it a lot. She likes it a lot. Okay, first item in here is this Vant Avant Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch Cream. So it looks like it's good for under the eyes, which I have eczema under my eyes, so I'm happy about this guy. I'm also recording on my camera, or my phone, because my camera batteries did some, yeah, batteries did, it's a long story. Anyway, okay, feels really nice. Feels more like a serum. Kind of has a serum-y smell to it also, but feels very moisturizing. So I'm very excited to give this a whirl. Like I said, there was no pricing, so looks like a deluxe sample here. I do believe that they are a fairly expensive brand. The next thing that we've got in here is this Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Energizing Lotion. Ren Clean Skincare is the brand. So this is a nice size. Looks good. Like it is a hand lotion. Yeah, a light, fresh, and easily absorbed hand and body lotion that energizes and revives tired skin. Like, who doesn't have tired skin these days? I'm afraid it's gonna pop out at me. Okay. All right. Oh, it has a very essential oils scent. Like, what is that? Definitely an essential oil blend, like Ling Ling or something. Oh man, I can't put my finger on it. Yeah, very moisturizing, very soothing. Oh, I like this, especially, you know, with the winter, dry skin, and of course all of our hand sanitizing issues. Like, yeah, this stuff, I'm gonna use this. I'm excited about this. I know nothing about this brand or the price, but I'm guessing it because of the essential oil, and like I said, it's a blended mix scent of essential oil. I'm thinking this is a pretty pricey deluxe sample as well. So do I think we're on our way to meet that $60 threshold? Absolutely. Abso-toodalutely. All right, next is this Jecca Black Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Thy Face. Ooh, who doesn't want a little glow on the face? Ooh, very cute packaging as well. I like. Oh, I'm excited to try it. Alrighty. Let's see, I'm like afraid all of this is gonna squirt out. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, she's real pretty. Really gorgeous. What a beautiful girl. Oh, yeah. Just put a little shimmer and shine. Yes, sir. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Oh. Ah. You gotta be careful. I feel like if you use too much, I don't want to look greasy. Like, I don't know if it's just me or if you feel like, do you feel like this whole highlighting trend is gonna be a thing? Like, you know, when we look back in the 90s and we're like, oh my god, that hairstyle, you know, with the little butterfly clips and like kind of rolled it. I don't know. You look back at that crap and you're like, what the hell were we thinking? Like, I feel like the highlighter on the lips, sometimes I'd be like, oh my gosh, I don't want to wear that because it looks like I just sucked on a chicken bone. And sometimes I wonder, are we gonna look back and be like, the trend was it was supposed to do that. Anyway, like, you could go to KFC and get that shit for free. Alright, no, not for free. Anyway, maybe cheaper than some of this highlighting stuff. Anyway, Hocus Pocus Focus. Alright, so, oh, it dried really quick too. Look at that. Ah, one of my faves. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we're 3 for 3 in this box. I like it. I like them. I like them a lot. Alrighty, next up in here is some Sukin Australian Natural Sensitive, for sensitive skin, pink clay facial mask. Oh, I do like facial masks. I do. All right, I like this. I think we're like, oh, it's sealed right now, and I don't want to, well, yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Only because I do have a lot of deluxe samples. I do go through them pretty quickly. Excuse me. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I like that kind of mask. I don't know if you can see right here. Oh, yeah. No, that's a good quality. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It doesn't have much of a scent to it, but let me look in thy book. Let us look it up in the book. This guy. Formulated with a blend of pink and red clays that work together to extract impurities to leave your skin looking radiant and clear. Apply all over damp skin, leave for 15 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Yes. Ah, see, I knew it. I was like, I knew one of these was gonna do something like that. I knew it. I could feel it in my gut. I could feel it in my soul. All right. Anyway, let's move on. What are we at? That was item number 4. Number 4. All right, here we go. Oh, I like. All right, we have a double-ended eye brush. Oh, yay! I love makeup brushes. One of my favorite things. And it's dual. Alrighty. Brushworks. Oh, look at how cute. She's so cute. I cannot get a good picture. Anyway, that's one end and the other end. Okay, so I feel like this is kind of big. It's probably more for the contouring, the under eye concealer. But then this one I do feel like you can use in the corners. But yeah, very gorgeous brush. It's got that rose gold foil and white. Oh man. Yeah, I think we are very well on our way to the $60 mark for sure. All right, last item in here is from the Balm, Pedal to the Metal Va Voom Cream Eyeshadow. Ooh, cream eyeshadow. I'm interested in this. All right. So sometimes, you know, the Balm always confuses me because sometimes you got to push it out the other end, or sometimes you got to open it up. It's a little magnetic thing. Oh, look at how cute. How cute. I love it. This color is what? Shift into Overdrive. It's like a, oh yeah, it is kind of creamy. Oh, I like it. Well, do I? I do like it, but it doesn't seem to be very pigmented. But look at the shine. I mean, they're always known for their good shine. Shine. Right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I do like that. All right. I thought it was going to be a little bit more luminous than it was. But all right, I'm willing to give this a try. So I like everything in this box. Let's go ahead and do the recap. So we've got the body lotion. It smells like essential oil blend Ling Ling. And then we've got the Jekka Black Glow Drops. We've got the Pink Clay Face Mask. We got the Avant eye serum, or maybe it is a serum. Doesn't really say. But eye brightening cream. And then we've got the dual-ended brush and the cream eyeshadow from the Balm. So do I think this box was the Balm? Hells yeah, chicka wood. That's super bad. Anyway, yeah. I do think this is probably valued at over $60 for sure. Like a couple of these brands I know for a fact, even their deluxe samples are pretty pricey. So yeah, I think this is a great box. I think that you should check it out. You know, use the for $19, I mean, even if it was only the $60 and this box, like I said, this box is so nice. And yeah, anyway, all right, toodaloo, my darlings. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.